Good morning, everyone. This is Curtis, and today is October the 14th, 2019, and it's approximately 9:42 in the morning, and I am here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And first off, I'd like to welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate you being here. And if you would, I'm going to switch this to a full screen here. If you would, I would appreciate it if you would. After the video's over, you can do it now if you'd like. Hit the like button, the thumbs up button. I really would appreciate it if you get some type of value out of this. And subscribe to my channel. Deeply would appreciate that. And click that bell there, and you'll know when I am actually doing another video. So this video is going to be on the same thing I've done in the last couple videos. It's a system I'm using to make a lot of sales of affiliate products. That's selling someone else's products, which is very, very simple to do. It's actually one of the best things to do. You don't have to carry the product yourself. You're just selling someone else's product and making a commission off of it. And one of the best ways to do that is email marketing. And many people don't have an email list and never have built an email list. And there's this system we use. Even if you've got an email list, this is a great system to use because you can use this alongside using the leads you have in your own email marketing system. So I'm going to demonstrate here in a second what I'm talking about. You can have a network marketing business, an affiliate marketing business, internet marketing business. It doesn't matter. This works for any of them. All you're going to be doing is emailing all of these leads your offers. You can sell them anything you want. If you're selling CBD products, you can start off with that. You can sell ClickBank products. It doesn't matter. I've done it all. And I've done this, been doing this probably 3.5 weeks now. And I think this morning when I demonstrate this, I've got 5,500 leads just in this system that I can email to once a day, every day. And once you get this system, you will get 100 leads every single day. So that's 3,000 a month. But as soon as someone gets into the system under you, someone purchases the system, it's a monthly fee of $30. That's all it is. If they buy under you, all it takes is one person. You now get 200 leads every day, which is 6,000 a month. So I think it was my third day someone bought the system and I started getting 200 leads a day. So that's why I'm at 5,500 as of this morning. And I'm going to actually do an email for you here in just a second, show you how it works. They give you, we have pre-written emails. We have marketers in here that, big time marketers in the system. Hold on one second, guys. Hey, everyone. I thought we had a problem there, but I don't think we did. Thought we did. But what I was saying was inside this system, we have really big time marketers. We have intermediate marketers, people that's been doing this for little while. And then we have beginners, people straight in, never done this before. And we all work together. So many things are in this system. I'll show you the Facebook page in a minute. We have our own Facebook group, and you come in here and you go to the files section, and we have files that we use every day where you can go to the file section and get email swipes. These are marketers that wrote emails over the time, and they are good. And all you do is just change your affiliate number on that. That's all you do. And it's just really powerful. And I'm going to demonstrate here in a second how easy this is. And once you send that out, see, that's the other thing. Email marketing is just, once you get it going and you put it on autopilot, it's working for you. You can be out doing whatever, and your email can go out, And all these people, thousands of people, are getting what you wanted, or looking at what you have and may purchase. So that's the power of this. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go into the system and demonstrate real quick how this works. Okay. Here's my Facebook page, Curtis Fillers. If you guys, anybody would like to send me a friend request and a message, that would be great. Yeah, send me a message and tell me that you'd seen this video, and you either unsure, have questions, it doesn't matter. Just send me a message and I will help you out. Um, and here is the Facebook group for the system. My Lead Gen Secret Success is the name of the group. But once you get in, contact me and I will add you to this group. And like I said, this is powerful, guys. Here's the file section. You got all this. We got banners. People make banners up. I mean, these people know what they're doing in here. Um, Here's the swipes, email swipes. I've actually got them pulled up. Some of them pulled up right now. We have some guy in here that he he's got swipes for different niches like weight loss, credit repair. See right here, high ticket emails, list building, mindset emails, broadcast, product, software. Let's see what else. Dating, diet and weight loss, email follow up, broadcast freebies, credit repair, business opportunities. And what you do is you just click on this and say, I wanted to use this email. I just take it, copy that, and I'd come over to the system and I just fix it up the way I wanted to. But here's the other one we have. It's called Swipe of the Day. You go swipeoftheday.com and you come in. You just pick out which one that you would like to use. And this one right here is the one I'm going to use today. And here's exactly how you do this. This is the one I want to use. So I'm going to take this, copy this. Hang on one second. Oh, cat just jumped up here. And go over here. Paste this in. God, I got so many people messaging me today with my birthday. And paste that there. Okay, now right here, I'm going to put my ID number in here where these X's are. Show you how simple this is. 1709. And where and date, that way you can kind of track where this came from. I put my lead gen secret, and I'll just put like the date 10/14/19 like that. Click that. All right, now it's set up for me right there. If you see that, it's set up for me. And I'm going to take the subject line. First, let me go into my lead gen and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see. Okay, let me go in here to my lead gen. Members log in. Okay, here's going to be your leads right here. They drop in every day. They're real leads. I'll show you right here. See, first name, last name, IP address, city, state, postal code, country, and the lead part. This is where they came from. These are business opportunities secretly. These are people that are actually looking for what you have because they were somewhere on the internet purchasing something, don't know what that was. And when they come to checkout of what they were there to purchase, they were asked a couple questions of, are you interested in making money online? Would you be interested in having a business online? And these people had answered yes to those questions, and that's where these leads are from. So these are actually very responsive leads that I've come across so far. They're very responsive. Okay, and here's your mailing system. Statistic, these are stats on the past ones. Emailing on the weekends not the best, but I do it anyway. You just don't get a lot of response from that. Your affiliate, that's where people join under you. But the main thing of this video today is I'm going to show you the mailing, how this works. I can do a email real quick. Now some I've already got preloaded in here. I just pick which one I want and go with it, and it's done. It's that simple. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'm going to do a brand new one here from, I think I copied the subject already. All right. So here's the one from Swipe of the Day. Copy the subject. It's already set there for you for first name. And that'll go in for you the first name since it's set up like that. Okay, back over here, subject line, paste. Come on down. Right here, I want to get rid of this. Delete that. Okay, now I'm going to take the body. Remember, right up here, this has got all my information in it. So we just did it that quick. So Mary, just copy all this. Come over here, paste that in. Okay, there's a few things you've got to fix up here. My Facebook. Get rid of that. Where am I at? Right here. Copy. You guys, I'm telling you, after you do this a while, this is so easy. And you got to remember, this is going out to 5,500 people today. Okay. Then my photo. This is easy too. I can explain this one day how you do this. This is very easy. Okay. Hang here with me, guys. It'll be over here in just a few minutes. Copy that. Back to that. It's for image. Put the URL on there. Make that about a 250. And leave that one there. Okay. Here's your picture. That makes it even more personal. That's pretty good. I like that. Your signature. Okay. Now the rest of this should already be all set up here. But what you want to do, so when this goes out, the first name of the people is going to be in there. It's going to go out with their name in there. Some of you should already know that, but if you don't, that's okay also. All right, what you want to do, bring on down here. Looks good there. Oh, God, I can't do it yet, guys. I got an hour and 40 minutes before I can send this out. Well, I'm going to explain something else to you real quick. We're almost there, and the hardest part's over. Right here, if I can mail this right now, so you got to wait exactly 24 hours, and I remember I did it later yesterday. There's going to be a button here. It's going to say preview and send email. You always want to hit preview, and then what you've got will pop up. You just check your links. Just check the links, and to make sure they come back with your information on them, which would be right up in there. That's going to be your affiliate code there. That's mine there, but yours is going to be different. And you put whatever on the end there. That way I know I mailed this out on that date. And that's how that works. And then down here, you hit perfect timing. You don't have to do this, but perfect timing is when the system itself knows the habits of these people, because it's going to go by when they first opted in to even be here. So it kind of got a habit. It figures out the habit of when they're probably in front of their computer, the best time for them, and it will send it to that person at that time. I always click that, and I had good luck with that. So that's how that works. I wish this was ready to go, but it's not. Oh well, an hour or so I could do that, but I can't keep you on here for an hour. So, but that's how easy that is. And see right here, I would hit select all. And see right there, I'd have 5,500 ready to go. And I usually hit send with my name, subject, and like I said, it's ready to go. I just needed my buttons to be here. But guys, that's how easy and simple this is. And like I said, this can work for anything you have. I'm just mind boggled by anybody that wouldn't do this or wouldn't at least try this for at least a month. I mean, I made my first sale of this system emailing from this system on my third day. Somebody that I emailed this to bought this from me. So that would have been 300 people on a list that went out and I got someone to buy. So, of course, the more you've got, the better chance you've got on people buying. And like I said, it takes time, guys. I think it's like 12 times someone's got to see something before they'll actually buy. It's somewhere in that general area. So when you email these people every day or at least every other day, they'll start getting familiar with you and they'll start seeing this more often and then they'll go for it. I mean, that's just usually the way it works. So with that being said, guys, I'm sorry I couldn't go ahead and send the email out for you. Um, but that's how this works. And in the description below this, I am going to leave a link if you'd like to check out this system. I'm also going to leave a link for my Facebook. And please send me a message if you have any questions and a friend request. Be more than happy to talk to you and help you out with anything I can. So that being said, guys, I hope you have a great day. It's Monday, October 14th, 2019. And if you would, again, please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. You guys take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.